Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2148 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your fuel injector power supply system. And if left unfixed, it can cause poor engine performance, misfires, and increased fuel consumption. P2148 stands for Fuel Injector Group, a supply voltage circuit high. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the voltage in the injector group circuit is higher than normal. That means the fuel injectors are receiving too much electrical voltage, and this can affect how the injectors operate. Now understand this carefully. Fuel injectors are designed to work within a specific voltage range. When voltage becomes too high, injector operation can become unstable. This may lead to incorrect fuel delivery, and when fuel delivery is not accurate, engine performance starts suffering. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2148, you may notice: check engine light on, engine misfire, rough idle, poor acceleration, engine hesitation, reduced fuel economy, hard starting, and sometimes increased exhaust emissions. In severe cases, the engine may run rough or enter a reduced power mode. Now location very important. Fuel injectors are mounted on the fuel rail. The fuel rail is attached to the intake manifold or cylinder head depending on engine design. Group refers to a specific set of injectors controlled by the ECU. The injector wiring harness runs through the engine bay. This harness is exposed to heat, vibration, oil, and moisture every day. Injector fuse and relay are usually located inside the engine compartment fuse box. Now, most common causes. In real-world diagnosis, P2148 is commonly caused by shorted injector wiring, damaged wiring harness, poor electrical connections, faulty injector relay, charging system voltage problems, faulty fuel injector, or ECU driver circuit issues. In rare cases, quick diagnosis steps. Start by scanning the vehicle for additional injector-related trouble codes. Then inspect the injector wiring harness carefully. Look for damaged insulation or wires touching each other. Check injector connectors for corrosion or loose connections. Measure system voltage using a multimeter. Also verify alternator output, because overcharging can sometimes trigger this code. Finally, test injector circuit voltage against manufacturer specifications. Repair process: repair any damaged wiring. Replace faulty connectors if necessary. Fix charging system problems. Replace defective relay if required. Replace faulty injector if testing confirms failure. Clear the code from the ECU and perform a complete road test. Estimated repair cost: wiring repair is usually low to medium cost. Relay replacement is low cost. Injector replacement is medium to high cost. Charging system repairs vary depending on the fault, and ECU repairs are rare but expensive. Final result: fixing P2148 will restore proper injector operation. Engine performance will improve, misfires and hesitation will disappear, and fuel efficiency will return to normal. If this video helped, subscribe IG Garage and comment your car model for more diagnostic help.